Hi dear Virgos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Virgos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you in the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 11th till the 22nd of January. So let's start. So your partner's current feelings for you right now are Virgo. Let's see. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are Virgo. Five of Wands. This person is conflicted. There's a lot of conflicts going on right now between you and this person, and they're feeling like this will be a mess if they're going to talk to you or something like this. They're just feeling conflicted from inside, might be, or you guys are having a cold war going on between you guys. I have to clarify the Five of Wands as their feelings for you. Let's see why the Five of Wands is here as their feelings for you, Virgo. There's fights going on, there's battles going on, nobody's listening to anybody. It's like a mess right now. Mess. Let me clarify. Eight of Wands and the Page of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. This person feel like talking to you, this person feel like opening up to you, okay, and heal the situation. There is a lot of conflict going on between you guys, and so that's why this person is feeling like communication is required here. Okay, they feel like texting you or apologizing to you. It could be like they want to apologize to you, they feel like apologizing to you, and they feel like healing the situation with you. This is what I'm getting here. This person feels like having an apology, giving you an apology and healing the situation, getting over the situation. Let me see what you feel for this person, Virgo. Your feelings for this person right now are, let's see. This is Knight of Cups in reverse. So you're blocking your feelings. You do have love for this person, but whenever it comes to like surface, whenever it starts coming up, you feel like, no, I don't have love for this person. I don't feel like I don't feel anything about this person or with this person. So I'll just block. Might be you're blocking. Might be you block this person, from every platform, and you're blocking the conversation between you guys because there is a lot of conflicts going on, a lot of fights going on, and you just feel like okay, you just feel like lack of love, you can say, or you are not ready to listen to your own feelings right now, blocking yourself from loving this person. Okay, let me see, let me clarify the Knight of Cups in reverse for your feelings. Ten of Pentacles and the Hierophant and the Nine of Wands. Okay, so you could be dealing with a Taurus here, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Lots of Earth sign here. So you feel like having a long-term committed relationship with this particular person, and you're not getting what you want from this person. That's why you're hurt. That's why you are hurt, and this person is fighting with you and deliberately hurting you, might be sometimes, and that's like making you feel like, no, I don't feel like anything for this person, I don't need this kind of shit in my life. So that's why I feel like blocking myself is the best way. So you're emotionally detached from this person for the time being because you feel like having a long-term committed relationship, a soulful connection, a family with this person, but you're not getting what you want. Although you are blocking yourself, although you are feeling lack of love for this person or for this situation, you're not ready to give up on the situation. Okay, you are not feeling like giving up on the situation yet because you have feelings for this person, for this particular situation. This is not easy to let go of this situation this much easily. Okay, fine. So let's see what this person wants from you, Virgo. Let's see what this person wants from you. Lovers. Okay, this is Gemini cards. This person wants a decision. See, the roles can be reversed, so you can take it how it resonates with you because the energy is fluid between partners, so it can go either way. So what this person wants from you is the Lovers card, the Gemini card. This person wants to take a decision. This is for me, the Lovers card is decision making in love, coming to a final decision. This is what they want from you, making a decision regarding this particular connection. Let me clarify the Lovers as what they want from you. Okay, so this is Eight of Swords and the Nine of Cups and the Page of Swords. They want you to come out of this jail, come out of this mental jail, mental trauma, mental irritation, mental frustration that you are dealing with. Okay, they want you to come out of this, and they want you to be happy, and they want you to take a decision. Again, the page of swords is like, they want you to start the conversation and take a decision regarding this connection. Right now you are blocking them from everywhere. I can see them blocked. You're blocking them. Knight of cups in reverse, then this is the eight of swords. You're putting your walls up. It's like you're emotionally detached. You're showing them that you don't give a fuck, but you do. And this person wants you to unblock them, and just this is their wish fulfillment, that you should unblock them and talk to them, and just take a decision regarding this connection. This is what I'm getting here. They want clarity, they want honesty, they want you to unblock them and talk to them and start the communication. This is what I'm getting here very strongly. Okay, let's see what you want from this person, Virgo. Let's see what you want from this person. Page of swords. You also want the same thing, almost the same thing. Okay, you want the clarity. All you want from this person is opening up the communication, and this communication should bring the clarity between you two. Okay, because this is very on and off connection that I'm getting here. This is very on and off connection. You are wanting something else from this person, they are wanting something else from you. That's why you guys are not on the same page, and that's why I'm getting the lots of pages, because you guys need to be on the same page. Yep, seriously, I'm serious. It's not funny at all. So let me clarify the page of wands. Yeah, you want this communication to come towards you, and clarity and honesty. This is page of wands. Sorry, this is not page of swords as what you want from them. This is page of wands. You want to communicate with them. Let me clarify. The strength card, the king of cups, and the moon card. This is two major arcana. Could be dealing with a Leo or Pisces here. Okay, so you want them to open up. You want them to show their love towards you, to show the love that they have for you, because you're doubting their love. You're doubting their intentions. You're doubting what they have for you. Okay, you are in fear. You are in constant fear. What they are feeling for me, what they really feel for me, what they want from me, what the hell are they doing, why the hell are like they're doing this. So that you are in constant conflict, you are in constant fear, and you are having lots of fears. Underneath the surface there's lots of blockage, there's lots of fears, and you are not able to understand what the hell is actually happening. Okay, you are this person, I mean, you are being very very silent and acting a little weird with this person. You want them to open up. You want them to stop behaving like an idiot now. Be courageous and open up, show the love that they have for you. And you want them to come out of this fearful situation, because you are scared of this person. You are scared of the results of the future with this person. You are not able to see anything clearly. That's why you're hurt, and that's why you're scared of what their intentions are, what they feel for you. That's why you want this person to openly and honestly tell you what they feel, what they want, what they exactly planning. Okay, this is what you want. They also want you to make a decision. Okay, and you also want the same, but I feel like both of you are not on the same page, and that's why there are a hell lot of conflicts. Let's see what this person is going to do till the 22nd of January, what action they are going to take towards this connection. Ace of Cups. Okay, finally the conversation is coming. Finally lots of love is coming from this person's side. Finally they are going to open up to you. Okay, okay. Ace of Cups doesn't take it as always a good sign. It could also be someone who is going to be opening up to you emotionally. They are going to open up their heart to you, and there will be overwhelming emotions coming out of them. Okay, it can be very overwhelming for both of you. But yes, there's a lot of communication, heart to heart communication, heart to heart solution is coming to this problem. Let me clarify. Six of Pentacles and the Devil and the Tower. Oops. The Devil and the Tower both. This is toxic. This is something toxic. There is some kind of toxicity that is ending here. Okay, this is good news for you, Virgo. This person is coming out clean now. If there was some kind of toxicity or a third party situation, or there was something that was not, working out between you guys, that thing is going to end now. This toxicity is going to end. There will be balance in the situation. Okay, this toxicity, this obsession, this possessiveness, this jealousy, everything is going to come to an end. Finally, this conversation is going to heal both of you. Okay, there will be equal give and take of balance. There will be equal give and take of energy. For some of you, I literally feel like this person is going to beg to you for something. Okay, or you are going to beg for a relationship with them. This could go anyway, but whatever it is, this is going to be very emotional union, emotional reconciliation, and both of you are going to be on the same page at last. Thank God. So thank you so much, Virgos, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.